Look, Stuart does it too.
Look at Bruno.
Stuart's doing it too.
Get the fuck out of here.
He's taking him on motherfucker.
Hey, Jack, you want to do it?
Kojak said, "Get the fuck out of here."
What do you think?
Kojak's is like a big.
Hey,
Oh,
Hey, y'all. Hey,
He crashed.
hey, y'all. Let's all block that cop in.
too late. He's already out.
No, he's going up top. No, he's leaving. Never mind.
Oh, I was about to.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Something you
God,
didn't want to
Going
do.
back there.
I get back over here. It won't get him. It'll get all of them over here.
Won't get him.
That's what he wants.
Look at all of them.
Reed,
Kojak's
you wanna
on
do it
down.
again?
Who said I was in it? Okay.
Hell yeah.
Look, let's all do it. Yeah.
Nope, I hear somebody.
Here, I'll do it. Pow, pow, pow.
Bang bang, bang bang bang, bang bang bang.
Hey, I'm gonna go. I didn't hear nothing. I didn't hear fucking shit. The hell's going
Man, he
on?
come out here solo.
Hey, why does he walk like that? Looks like he gotta take a shit.
No, it's because he's got a popsicle stick up his ass.
Who's shooting?
Looks like you are. You're the only one with a gun out.
I will arrest every single one of you who's shooting.
I just told you the guy who's passed us in a Camaro.
I doubt that. All right, everybody go and face that red car. You're all being detained until I check surveillance footage. Yep, face the red car.
Ooh.
Go ahead and detain every one of them.
You sure every one of them?
Every single one of them.
Alright, sir, put your hands behind your back. Sir, stop walking away from me.
Get away from me.
Hey, you're gonna get tased. Stop rocking, man.
Quit chasing me.
Bruno keeps walking.
You're gonna get tased. Stop walking.
Look,
Stop walking.
Everybody's just walking.
somebody's left. He's out of here.
Dude just took off.
Look, they go.
Everybody's. I can
Go,
ride.
go. Go. Everybody's fucking running, dude. Everybody's fucking running. Everybody's fucking running, dude.
I'm a fucking Fast and Furious.
Dude, everybody's running. Holy shit.
Bro, that was Fast and Furious right there, bro.
Bro. Everybody took off running, dude. Bruno's probably fucking in cuffs.
No, I'm free already. They done lost me.